Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super handy trick in TradingView, how to sync your chart drawings across multiple charts. If you've ever found yourself redrawing the same lines, zones, or notations over and over on different layouts, this is really going to save you time and make your charting process a lot smoother. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get all your drawings to appear on all your charts. Instantly, no repetitive drawing required. Let's dive right in. So let's imagine you've just been working on your main TradingView chart. Maybe you've mapped out support and resistance lines or drawn some trend lines and notes. Now you want these to automatically show up on other charts within your layout. Maybe you're comparing multiple timeframes or different assets side by side. You don't want to copy and paste each drawing one by one. Here, how you pull that off. First things first, you need to set up your chart layout to include all the charts you want to work with. Look for the Layout button up at the top of your TradingView interface, usually next to the symbol search bar. Click on it and TradingView will show you several layout options. Since we want to use 4 charts, let's say, for example, you're analyzing one stock on the daily, hourly, 15-minute, and 5-minute timeframes, go ahead and select the 4-chart layout. With just one click, your workspace is divided into 4 windows ready for action. Next, let's locate what's called the object tree and the data window. These are found on the right-hand side of your screen. The object tree is essentially a list of every drawing, shape, or annotation you've placed on your chart, kind of like a file cabinet for your chart work. If you don't see these windows, look for the object tree and data window icons on the sidebar and click them to open up these panels. Having these panels open will help you see and manage all your drawings in one place. Now with the object tree open, it's time to select all your drawings. You can do this one by one, but here's a little shortcut. Hold down the Shift or Control key depending on your operating system while clicking to quickly highlight everything you've drawn on your chart. You'll see your selected drawings highlighted. Don't worry if this takes a moment, especially if you have a lot of elements on your chart. Once all your drawings are selected, right-click on any one of them. This brings up a menu of actions you can perform. Now you might notice that there's an option that says No Sync. Go ahead and click No Sync. This basically disconnects the drawings from syncing, just in case they were already tied to a specific chart only. After you've set them to no sync, here's the important part. Right-click again and now select Sync in Layout. What you're doing here is telling TradingView, hey, take all these drawings and put them not just on this chart, but on every chart in my current layout. With just that one step, all your lines, arrows, and notes will instantly appear across all 4 of your charts. Give it a moment to update, especially if you're syncing a lot of drawings. But once it's done, you can switch between your different charts and see that all your artwork is perfectly matched up, making your multi-chart analysis seamless and way more effective. And just like that, you've mastered one of TradingView's most time-saving features. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another TradingView topic you want to see covered. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips and tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy trading.